Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels retired world bike tour, and we are having our New Year's hike here, and even though it's the 18th of January, which is my beloved brother Jim's birthday today. We are hiking the Rio Bosque wetlands here in El Paso, Texas, USA. And there we go. This is a wetlands, water reclamation wetlands. And because this is desert, and this is much appreciated water, even though it's reclaimed water. It's on a flyway, and we're looking at one of the cranes here, which might start flying in a moment. There we go, they're both good. And you can see the Franklin Mountains in the background. Good, very nice. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels retired world bike tour. Thank you very much for joining me. Adios.